We recently completed a full rig overhaul for Australian metalcore band Make Them Suffer before they headed out on their overseas tour. This included an in-ears rack, 3 pedalboards for guitar, bass and keys, wireless mic, X32 and mic splitter, a playback rig which included an iConnectivity Play Audio 12 for tracks, and a Myo XM which receives and also spits out Midi. A few nice touches we added were color-coded looms for ease and quick patching. There is Midi running from each rack via Ethernet, and also Midi via XLR from the pedal boards. Just in case something goes wrong, it's always easy enough to find an XLR cable to get you by. The setup is made to work anywhere overseas and can take anywhere from 100 to 240 volts. All this fits nicely into 5 SKB cases, all under 32 kilos, so no problem flying it. Stay tuned for part 2, where we go for a deeper dive into the pedal boards.